I am Christian, also known as the God of Science, and today I am bringing you the evolution of turtle clowns. Today I'm bringing you another gaming video. Today I'm showing you how to make a baby. For real, I have a special treat for you all today. We will be discussing interdimensional worlds and how they can be split. To start, we should talk about how dimensions are split. Here's a quick how to clip from my boy Jay Fisher.
We start by clicking the Annotate tab, and in the Dimensions panel, select Split Dimension.
It's as easy as that.
Then I'll select the dimension line I would like to split, but this time, select EM from Multiple on the keyboard.
Oh yeah, here's the keyboard I'm using, by the way. Sexy, right?
Then you have to specify dimensions, so I'll pick these 3 and press Enter.
Oh, that's so hot.
After that, I'll select the entity to split the dimensions. I'll pick this line and you will see all 3 dimensions are now split.
Let's go!
If you would like to manually define your own gap, you can do this by selecting Specify Gap on the command line.
So there you have it. That is how you split a dimension. I have no idea what just happened there, but it did, so yeah. Our next subject I have today involves a very rare and special item. A potato. Well, for starters, I have to admit that potatoes are now considered as fruit under the Trump administration, and that potato brutality is rising over the years. But before I get into this any deeper, here's Gary with the weather.
Thanks, Chris. It is going to look like this in your backyard tomorrow. We're going to have a big winter for cold and snow. Let's take a look at this big cold. Hello, winter snow. Hope everyone is having a Christmas, I mean holiday. This is a look at snow in 2009, as well as a car whose license plate I can barely make out. Here's a picture of my son Bobby with a snowman we made out of white cream cheese. Here is some more snow that happened in 2014, where about 7 inches fell and we got stuck for nearly 8 weeks. Now back to you, Chris.
Sorry everyone, but while the weather was on, I got hard into this potato. Very hard. Now here's a quick montage from our sponsor, Chiquita Bananas. Shit. That was good.
Dos, tres, hey!
Chiquita, banana, banana, Chiquita, Chiquita, banana, banana. I'm Chiquita Banana, and I've come to say bananas have to ripen in a certain way. When they are flecked with brown and have a golden hue, bananas taste the best and are the best for you. And you can put them in a salad, and you can put them in a pie, any way you want to eat them. It's impossible to beat them, cause bananas like the climate of the very, very tropical equator. So you should never put bananas in the refrigerator. Chiquita banana, now that's the banana for me.
Well, sorry I couldn't talk anymore about potatoes. I got a little carried away there. Well, before I close up shop for the night, it's time for our Q&A. Our first question is from ShrekLover48. He says, what editing software do you use? Please answer. You have inspired me to be a YouTuber. I just need advice. Great question. I use Adobe Final Cut Pro X for Windows 7. It takes forever, but it's hella worth it. Our next question by not.pewdiepie is, how the fuck is this not viral? I don't know, man. You do you, I'll do me. And we won't do each other because that's just Our last question is from Nipple Nose Voldemort. The remix, mate. I want the full song, please. 1 of 51. If anybody isn't already following my SoundCloud, it's Rainfall Kid. You can find it in the description below. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it an old smash on that like button. Subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell for more of the God of Science. I upload twice a week for new and original content for your enjoyment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.